Can I track a phone with just the phone number?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing a common question. Can I track a phone with just the phone number without installing any additional software on the targeted device? Tracking a phone solely with a phone number is a topic that often raises curiosity and concerns. So, let's dive in and explore the details.
Understanding phone tracking.
Phone tracking is a process that involves determining the location of a mobile device. While it's true that tracking a phone's location can be useful in certain situations, it's important to note that tracking a phone with just the phone number without installing any additional software on the targeted device is not possible.
Location tracking methods.
There are various methods available to track a phone's location, but they typically require specific conditions to be met. Some common methods include GPS tracking. Most modern smartphones have GPS, Global Positioning System, capabilities, which allow them to provide accurate location data. However, in order to track a phone using GPS, you would need to have access to the phone itself and install a tracking application or enable a built-in tracking feature. Mobile network tracking. Mobile network tracking involves using the signals emitted by mobile towers to determine the approximate location of a phone. While this method can provide a general idea of a phone's location, it is not precise enough for detailed tracking. Again, you would need to install tracking software on the phone to access this information. Internet-based tracking. Some online services claim to offer phone tracking by entering the phone number into their system. However, these services are often scams or provide inaccurate information. Legitimate tracking services typically require consent from the phone's owner and often involve installing software or apps on the device.
Privacy and legal considerations.
It's important to recognize that tracking someone's phone without their knowledge or consent is a violation of their privacy and may be illegal in many jurisdictions. Privacy laws vary by country and region, so it's crucial to familiarize yourself with the legal implications before attempting any form of phone tracking. In conclusion, it's not possible to track a phone with just the phone number without installing any additional software on the targeted device. Most tracking methods require specific conditions and the installation of tracking software or apps on the phone itself. Furthermore, it's important to respect privacy laws and obtain proper consent before attempting any form of phone tracking. If you have concerns about the location of a phone or its usage, it's recommended to consult with relevant authorities or seek professional advice. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has provided you with valuable information. Stay safe and have a great day.